Hey guys, this is Mike from Maximum PSI. We're here with our shop E46. It has our production E46 M3 turbo kit. It's currently set up with our stage 2 hardware with our switchable map setup. It's the only system out there for E46 M3 utilizing the factory sport button. We're able to toggle between two completely different calibrations using the factory ECU. With the sport button off, we go with the low boost pump gas setting, and then with the sport button on, in conjunction with the Turbo Smart electronic boost controller, we're able to toggle into high boost mode using MS109. It's a 105 octane unleaded fuel. Adds a pretty significant bump to the power band on the fly. If you come in a little closer, I'll show you how the system works. I got all my gauges and boost control hidden down here. I'm just going to hold this out of the way so you can see a little better. On the left here, we've got our eBoost 2 electronic boost controller. On the right there, that's nothing that we're dealing with in this video, but that's showing ethanol content, showing we got about 10% in the tank. Right here you have the sport button, and back here we have this little key switch. That is the safety switch to stop someone from accidentally applying the sport button and kicking it into race gas mode when it doesn't have it. With that key switch off, you can hit that sport button a million times and it is completely disabled, so you're permanently in low boost pump gas mode. As soon as you flip that key switch on, you can hit your sport button and you see it illuminates, showing you that when the light is on, it is in high boost race gas mode. If you look at the boost controller there, right now when I turn it off, you see that it flashes SP1. That is showing that it's going back to set point 1 or low boost mode. As soon as you turn it on, it seamlessly jumps to SP2, showing high boost. Over here you can see we're jumping between two different ignition maps. We're going from pump gas to race gas, and same thing, that does lock it into high boost mode as well. It just disables the activation of the sport button. So if you do want it to be permanently on the high boost mode and someone can't accidentally turn it off, the key works for that as well. That is the basics of the operation. So let's get on the dyno and see how it works. So basically, I'm going to run the car with the pump gas setting, let that come up on the dyno, and then hit the button and go right back into race gas mode without touching it. And then with the simple touch of a button here, we go from pump gas. Now everything is automatically in race gas mode and high boost.